so I'll come back to another video. So I'm just going to open some mail with this. This is an AliExpress haul. So I got some more eyelashes because I really like these. Right. I'm just going to take all of them out. So this is what we've got. So these are just little nail art pieces that I thought would be nice to encapsulate. So I think it's like little wings that these ones are. And a little girl. This one is little white daisies. I don't know if you've seen that one properly. It's quite hard to tell what's all in there. We got some like animals, it's like sea life animals. I will take these out and show you properly. These are roses and leaves. And then we have some autumn leaves as well. Then we have some nice crystals. These are nice yellowy ones. We've got some, I don't know what colour you would call these because they're not like yellow and they're not like proper gold. Then we have got some point back crystals in different sizes and obviously different colours. Now I'll take them all out individually and show you guys. I'm just going to quickly run through what we've got so far. So we have some emerald teardrop, some champagne teardrop, some pink teardrop. We have, I think it's black slate. We have some red, I'm not sure what these are called again. We've got some emerald and we have some of those slate or silver or black. I'm not actually too sure, I could check, but I will leave all these linked in the description below if you want to go and have a wee look because they were all really cheap. So what we'll do is we'll go through them all and I'll show you what they look like. Now I also have, this is how I store mine, and I've got about 10 trays, maybe 8 trays so far. And I just popped them in these little tubs, so this one's already empty for me to go and we've got 3 left in here to fill. So I'm just going to quickly make up some labels to pop on my pots and I'll be back with you guys soon. Okay, please excuse all the motorbike sounds. I'm quite close to a field by my house and everybody's out on their motorbikes because it's nice weather. Anyway, so we'll start with these ones. And I think there's like 20 in the packet or something. So this is what the ones look like. So I just popped them in tubs like this, where I've got them from. I've got quite a lot of the ones from AliExpress. Just for doing like nail competitions, because I don't see the point in paying like the expensive prices for Swarovski. I do have a lot of Swarovski already, but I just thought these would be ideal for just competition nails. So then we've got the emerald in the same shape. So that's the emerald. And we also have, I'm not sure if they're scarlet, I can't remember what they're all, like all the names are, but we've got red. We'll just go with red, all the same shape. So that's red ones. So then we've got some of the Pear ones. Now I do have some of these already and I wanted to get more because the ones that I've got are like colour shift ones. I'll just get them now and show you actually, it'll be easier. So yeah, this is what I keep mine in. So these ones here are like all from AliExpress. There's actually quite a few, and then there's obviously my Swarovski in there as well. I'm just trying to see where I put those colour shift ones. I'll show you them as well. Here they are. So these are those colour shifting ones that I was telling you about. They're so pretty. I'll put these to the side now. So I thought I would get some more of those. So I've got them in this pink colour. I don't know if these are like colour shift as well. I think they are slightly. Yeah, they are. I don't know if you can see that the way I move them. But they're super pretty. And then we have these nice black coloured ones. So that's them. We've also got them in emerald. So that's some in the emerald. And then we've got them in champagne. So that's them in the champagne colours. Colour, should I say. I'm getting these everywhere. Right, before I show you any more, I just wanted to show you these as well. These are also from AliExpress, and I thought these would be ideal for competition nails. And they're just like little nail dangles. That one's quite stiff. So yeah, that just dangles off the nail. I thought they were really pretty as well. So you could do it either way. You could have the larger piece attached to the nail or the smaller piece attached to the nail. I think it would look pretty with both, to be honest, but they weren't expensive either. Okay, so next, now I didn't order these colours, so I don't know what to put in the description for these. I had a look. I will see if I could find them. I like to stick in the bag. So these are nice and spring-like, nice lemony yellow. They're really pretty, but I didn't order them. I'm sure I ordered different colours, but these are pretty, so I'm not complaining. And then these ones, so they're at different sizes, really quite pretty. Okay, so we'll move on to the point backs. I didn't used to like point back crystals, but I really do love them now. So we'll start with the opals, and we'll go with the opal blue first. So they're in different sizes as well. I don't know if you can see, just obviously they like to sit on their top with a beam point back, but they're just opal blue. And then we have opal white. These come in handy for like making animals and stuff, and using them for like eyes and whatnot. So then we have the pink opal. Again in different sizes. We have the green opal. And I think the rest are just like coloured ones. So we'll go with the AB ones first. They are absolutely stunning. They are beautiful. You can't complain when they're like under £2. I think they were anyway. Actually this whole thing was 97 pence, and then with the tax and stuff on it, it was under £2 still. So under £2 for all those crystals I think is a wee bargain. I'm just going to quickly take these lids off. Okay, so now we'll go with just the clear. So they're just like the clear diamondy colour. Then we shall go with this nice, it's like a baby pink I would say. These have got to be the hardest ones to show because they like to go on their tops in the flip tray. And then we have a more pinker pink. Pinker pink. So this one's more of a richer pink. And we have like a ruby red. They're so hard to show. I hope you can see some of them. Then we have a nice blue, sort of like a royally blue, maybe just like a shade lighter. And then we have two different shades of green. So we'll go with the lighter ones first. So I would probably say these are more like a aqua colour. And then the next ones we've got are like an emerald green. So that's the emerald green ones. So quite happy with all the crystals. Now what I'll do is I'll show you these. they're just like little, I don't know if they're like paper or like a really thin plastic, but we've got the roses. I do actually have more of these somewhere, but they're actually from like companies, like CJP and stuff. So that's all daisies. There's actually quite a lot in that one. Doesn't look like it, but there is. I like daisy pots because you can stack them. Okay, and then we've got the sea life ones. So it's got like, let me see, mermaids, little fish, starfish, coral reef. So they're quite cute. And these were all under 50p each, which is a bargain. So these are like the autumny leaves. I'm just going to try and separate them because they're kind of stuck together. So there's loads of different leaves in there. And then last but not least, this one was quite hard to see what it actually was because I just ordered one because like, there were so many different sets and I wanted one of each. So it's like Cupid. So there's Cupid in there, there's little wings, little fairies. So Cupid, little wings and fairies in that one. I'll just take a Cupid out and show you so that you can see it better. So this is Cupid. And then let's see if I could pick up one of these little fairies. It should just run away from me. I don't know if you can see it right in the centre there. But yeah, so that's my haul from today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching. As I say, I'll leave all the links for these in the description below, apart from those two which I don't know what they are. This one and this one. I'm not sure what they are because I didn't order these colours, but I'll have a look and see if I can find them. Maybe they're in the same description, they've just picked up two wrong colours. So yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.